there, beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the world of makeup with curiosity, expertise, and a touch of fun. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Kiko Milano Master Eyeshadow Palette in shade 02, Touch of Glamour. It's a 15-pan palette featuring a mix of matte and metallic shades, designed for luminous, blendable eye looks. Right out of the box, the palette feels sleek and well-organized. The shades range from soft neutrals to deeper, statement-making colors, giving you plenty of options to craft both everyday and evening looks. The powders are finely milled, which generally helps with smooth application and blending, and the pigmentation promises to deliver color payoff without feeling chalky. When I put these shadows to the test, they performed impressively on bare eyelids. The mattes are creamy and blend easily, building up without patchiness, while the metallics really catch the light and give that luminous finish Kiko Milano touts. I tried layering the metallics over a primer, and the intensity stayed vibrant throughout the day without noticeable fading. Application was effortless, whether I use my fingers or brushes from my personal kit. For someone who enjoys experimenting with eye looks, this palette is very versatile. The palette has several strengths worth noting. The textures are consistent, blending is smooth, and the color range is thoughtfully curated to allow both subtle and bold looks. On the flip side, a few of the darker shades require a bit more layering to achieve the depth seen in the pan, which is something to keep in mind if you prefer instant opacity. Also, while the palette is compact, it lacks a mirror, which could be a minor inconvenience for travel. In terms of value, this palette sits in the mid-range. Considering the quality of the pigments, the blendable textures, and the range of shades, it offers solid performance for its price. If you're comparing it to other mid-tier palettes, it holds its own against competitors like NYX or Sephora Collection palettes in terms of pigmentation and blendability. The build quality feels sturdy, the case is durable, and the magnetic closure keeps the shadows secure. Kiko Milano is known for responsive customer support, and while I haven't had to reach out directly, the brand maintains a solid reputation in this area. If you're on a budget but still want quality, palettes from Essence or ELF offer similar matte and shimmer combinations, though they may slightly differ in pigmentation or texture. That said, the Kiko Milano Master Palette delivers a more luxurious feel and long-lasting vibrancy. Overall, this palette is versatile, user-friendly, and perfect for anyone looking to elevate their eye makeup game without overcomplicating things. It's especially great for makeup enthusiasts who enjoy blending and experimenting with different textures. If this review has helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support allows us to keep sharing honest, detailed insights. Thanks so much for watching. And if you've tried this palette yourself, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. The link to grab your own Kiko Milano Master Eyeshadow Palette is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.